about to pour a mask with a lot of needly teeth. And I thought I would show this technique because sometimes, well, it's very easy for air bubbles to get trapped down in there. So this is just an air bubble precaution. Thank goodness all these teeth happen to point the same direction, kind of, because these are in a ring around the face. So all of these teeth point the right direction at least. I don't have to go around the jaw and up, but it's more important even when you do that. What I'm doing is I'm sticking a zip tie into every single tooth. Zip ties are cheap. This doesn't ruin the zip tie, so you can reuse zip tie. And what it's going to do, it's going to allow the latex to flow down in there, and then I can wiggle the zip tie before I remove it, and that will allow air to escape. You're having the zip tie pull the air out along with pulling itself. You know, you can go down there and poke with a little wire poker, but it's really hard to find the teeth holes after you fill it with latex. So I've developed this method in the past couple months, and it works really well for me. And yeah, it takes a little bit of time to set up. I'm not just sloshing it in there and done with it, and I would rather do this little bit of work on this end rather than repair teeth later, which would take longer. Now I can kind of just pour it in. These teeth happen to be pumpkin teeth, which I use a lot if the teeth are okay being long and spindly. And then I just go kind of clockwise and I shaky stab this. You don't want to just yank it out. You want to rock it back and forth quite a bit. Then you can take it out. You're agitating the latex to let that bubble free itself. These teeth are all pointed in such a way where the air can travel up, but it's difficult for the air to travel up because the latex has, you know, a mass to it. And I should have nice tooth tips at the end of this. What's important now is I don't tilt the mold and allow air to go back into that tooth. And maybe it poured correctly and you don't have any air bubbles to get out. That's pretty rare, but it's possible. All those teeth are now air bubble free. Alexa, count down 2 hours.
2 hours, starting now.